Okay, so this question we have done yesterday. We will start with this. Now the question is show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. Okay, so as I already told you yesterday that in such a type of question, whenever they ask you that this function should be maximized or minimized, then always remember it is possible that in a function two variable are present or even three variable are present. But when we need to differentiate it, then that function should have a single variable. Okay, so there must be some condition. Always some condition will be given with the help of which we can simplify our expression into a single variable. Okay, so for example, this question here they are saying show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle. Fixed circle means circle is fixed, so that means the radius should be constant. So we have this circle. Okay, this is the center, the center row, and they're saying that the radius is fixed. So we will take, the circle is fixed. So we will take the radius as a constant k. Okay, k will be a constant. Now they're saying that the square has the maximum area. So we will write like this. In a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. Okay, so we have this one. This is not properly drawn. Just give me. Okay, so I have drawn a rectangle because we need to show that this figure have the maximum area if it is a square. So I have drawn a rectangle here. This is a rectangle. Now I will take this as a radius. There's a center. Okay, so this is a radius, which is k. This is constant. And now we will take, suppose this side is y and this is x. Okay, let this be a, b, c, d. A, B, C, D. We will write here. Show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has a maximum area. Okay, so area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So we can say x into y. Here we have two variables, x and y. Let this be a. So we have a is equal to x into y. We need to maximize this function, but here we have two variables. We need a single variable here. So who can tell me how can we eliminate one variable? Anyone can tell me? How can we eliminate one variable? The constant is k, which is a radius. OB is a radius, which is and its length is k. It is fixed. So anyone can tell me? Nabil, Atif, Darshan, Josefa, Saf.
You can use Pythagoras theorem.
By using the Pythagoras theorem, very good. So what we will do from this point, we will draw a perpendicular here. Okay. So let this be E. If this complete is y, then this will be what? Y by 2. Okay. Now, OE. Anyone can tell me what is the dimension of OE? Anyone can tell me what is the dimension of OE?
X by 2.
Very, very good. X by 2. Why? Because this complete is X. This complete is X. This is the center. So this will be X by 2.
So we can't take Pythagoras theorem and apply it like over triangle BDC.
Triangle BDC. Okay, so what we will get here? BDC is 2K. X. Yes, we can take that also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nabil? Good. So as Nabil said, it is your choice. You can even take this complete triangle BDC. Okay, because this angle will be a 90 degree. So that's your choice. Now, in triangle, OBE, we can say that OB square is equal to BE square plus OE square. Okay. Now, what is OB? It is K square. K square is equal to BE is Y by 2 square plus next is OE, which is X by 2 square. So what we will get here, K square is equal to Y square by 4 plus X square by 4. K square is equal to, take the LCM is 4. So Y square plus X square. So cross multiply, what we will get, 4K square Y square plus X square. Okay, so we can take out one value. For example, here we can say Y square is equal to X square minus 4K square, and Y is equal to under root X square minus 4K square. So we get this Y. Now we have the area. Area is what? Area is equal to X into Y. So here we can say area is equal to X into under root of what the value of Y we get here? X square minus, uh, just give me a minute. So Y square is, okay, I have done a mistake here. So Y square is 4K square minus X square. Okay, Dashan, I will repeat this. Okay, so we get this. So Y, what we will get is equal to under root of 4K square minus X square. So here what we will get, area is equal to, in place of Y, we will put this value. 4K square minus X square. Okay, so this is area. Now, if you can see here, here you have a variable X. This is a constant. This is a variable X. Okay, so that means in this expression, you just have a single variable. Now you know how to solve the question. Differentiate it, find the critical point, differentiate 2 times, then check that whatever the critical point you are getting for that area is maximum or not. Okay, I will again explain this one. Who has just joined? Okay, Darshan, please check. If this is clear to everyone, please note down this and then continue it. Okay, I will not solve this question. I have given you the complete hint. You get the area. Now you need to differentiate it and solve. Darshan, I guess yesterday also you have log off early. You got disconnected. Okay, we have started the word problems yesterday. So please check here. Question is, show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has a maximum area. So I've drawn a circle here. Now they are saying that the circle is fixed. If the circle is fixed, so that means the area is constant. Sorry, if the circle is fixed, that means the radius is constant. So here we have taken the radius as k. K is a constant here. Now I have drawn a rectangle inside the circle. Okay, because it is mentioned in the question that show that all the rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has a maximum area. Okay, so Nabil, you have just joined. Please check the question. Question is, show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has a maximum area. So if the circle is fixed, that means the radius is constant. So we have taken the radius as k here. Now for this rectangle, we have taken the length x and the breadth y. Okay, area is x into y. So yesterday I already told you that if you need to maximize a function or minimize a function, then in that function you must have a single variable only a single variable, not 2 or 3 variable. Otherwise it is not possible for us to solve that question. So here we have 2 variable x and y. So we need to eliminate one variable. How we can do that? Please check this. This is a right angle triangle. So from this point O, we have drawn a perpendicular which will bisect the opposite side. So this become y by 2. This complete is x, so this become x by 2. Okay, this is the radius which is k. So we can put the Pythagoras theorem. So we will get hypotenuse square is equal to b square plus o square. We get this. Solve this. You get a 4 here. Multiply with 4. You get this. Okay, then find y. Y is what? 4k square minus x square. So we get the value of y here. Y is this. Now you can put this value of y in the formula area and you can simplify it. My voice is breaking. For other, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Darshan, then There must be some network problem again from you on your side. Okay. I will switch off the video. Maybe now it will be better. Is it fine, Darshan, now? Okay, okay. So, Darshan, is it clear? Okay, okay, very good. So, please note down this, Darshan, and solve this. All of you, please complete this and let me know in case you have a doubt at any point. Atif, you are getting the critical point as root 2r. Actually, that is opposite. Atif. Mm, okay, okay. Let me check this. Okay. Let me check. dA by dx, what is equal to x as it is. Differentiate this. So you get 1 by 2 under root 4k square minus x square into minus
Sir,
4
I'm also getting root 2 case.
root 2k. Okay, very good. Then it's correct. Okay, Adil, then I will check this. Okay, just a minute. Plus under root of 4k square minus x square. So dA by dx is equal to take the 2 will get cancelled out. We will get minus x square take LCM under root 4k square minus x square. Here you will get 4k square minus x square. dA by dx, it is equal to 4k square minus 2x square by under root of 4k square minus x square. So dA by dx is equal to 0. So you will get here 4k square minus 2x square by under root of 4k square minus x square is equal to 0. So here you will get 4k square minus 2x square is equal to 0. So take out 2 common, divide it, you get this, it's equal to 0. So x you will get here root 2k. That's correct, Atif. Please continue. So all of you have solved this. The critical point is this one. Now please again differentiate this dA by dx. Okay, again differentiate this and put this value, check for this one, the function is maxima or minima. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Yes, Darshan, which part? Darshan, in which step you have a doubt? Critical point. Okay, Darshan, but we have already done this method, so I hope you understood. Okay, that how we need to find the critical points. So we have this function, which I have already simplified at this point. Now, please don't copy this, just differentiate this. You know the complete method of differentiation. Okay, so please differentiate it and then equate whatever the function you are getting after doing the differentiation. Equate that to 0. Okay.
Sir, in the denominator, I'm getting under root minus 2k square. So should I take it out as negative or
No, no.
keep the sign?
In denominator, you are getting under root
Minus 2k square?
minus 2k square, then it will become imaginary. So that is not correct. Okay. So Nabil, it is possible that you have done some calculation mistake. Okay. So please again try this, Nabil.
Yes, sir.
And Darshan, please differentiate this function on your own. Area is equal to a is equal to x into under root of 4k square minus x square. Okay. Please don't see this calculation. Do this on your own. And in case you will have any doubt in any of this step, please let me know. Anyone else get the critical point? So Nabil and Atif got this. Huzaifar, Saif, Nabil Khan, do you get the critical point? Huzaifar, Saif and Nabil, are you getting the same critical point? X is equal to root 2k.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Huzaifar, are you getting the same one? Okay, great. Nabil Khan. Nabil, okay, great. So now please differentiate this function again. So I will give you the hint. Quotient rule is quite lengthy. Okay, quotient rule is lengthy. So what we can do here, 2x squared by under root of 4k squared minus x squared. So dA by dx is equal to 4k squared. Okay, and we will write this as this denominator. This can be written as 4k squared minus x squared to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, root means 1 by 2. If we will take this to numerator, it will become minus 1 by 2. Now apply the product rule because the product rule is simpler than the quotient rule. So now please apply the product rule and complete this question.
Sir, I got minima at root 2k, sir.
What Nabil you are getting?
Minima at root 2k, sir.
You are getting minimum. So that means you are getting the positive value after differentiating
Sir.
this. That should not be the case. Nabil, please give me some minutes. Okay, I will
Sir.
solve. So, Darshan, please let me know once you get the critical point, okay? So that we can further do this question. Darshan, did you get the critical points? And anyone else got the complete answer? Atif, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're getting maximum for this value? X is equal to root 2k.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Atif, please find y. Okay, if y and x are equal, then you can say it is a square and it has a maximum area. Okay, so I was waiting for Darshan. Darshan, is it done? Okay, great. So now you understood, Darshan. Because if you understood this question, then you can do the remaining one. Okay, okay. Okay, so what is the method, Darshan? First, we have find out the critical points. Now we need to differentiate this again. So this is a fraction. If we will differentiate this at this step, then we need to apply the quotient rule. So we will avoid that. And we have changed this in this form so that we can easily apply the product rule here. So apply the product rule. So d square a by dx square, this is equal to first function as it is. First is 4k square minus 2x square. So 4k square minus 2x square into, we will differentiate the next one, 4k square minus x square minus half with respect to x plus 4k square minus x square minus half into derivative 4k square minus 2x square with respect to x. Now this one, d square by dx square, it is equal to 4k square as it is minus 2x square. Differentiate this, so what you will get? First this power minus 1 by 2. Then this will become 4k square minus x square minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. Then again we will differentiate this function, so this will become 0 minus 2x. Then plus this part as it is. So the best thing is you will do the calculation on your own. Okay, in case you have doubt, then you can see on the slide. But it is better if you will do the calculation on your own. Okay, so here we get this. So d square a by dx square, it is equal to, we will write this 4k square minus 2x square into minus 1 by 2. Okay, and here we will get what? 4k square minus x square. This is minus 3 by 2 into, here you will get what? Minus 2x plus, here you will get what? 4k square minus x square minus 1 by 2 into minus 4x. d square a by dx square, it is equal to, we will cancel out this 2. Okay, negative, negative, this become positive. So here you have 4k square minus 2x square, and this can be written as 4k square minus x square to the power 3 by 2. Okay, and this into x plus, we will write minus 4x by 4k square minus x square to the power half. Now put this critical point d square a by dx square. What is the critical point? X is equal to, what we get here? X is equal to root 2k. Okay, x is equal to root 2k. This is equal to 4k square minus, if you will put this value here, this will become 2 root 2k whole square. Okay, into root 2k, and the denominator you have what? 4k square. I will write this directly now, 2k square power 3 by 2 minus 4 into x is what? Root 2k. Root 2k by, this is what? 4k square minus x square. X square is what? 2k square to the power half. Next is this d square a by dx square. This is equal to what? If we will open this bracket, this will become 2 into 2k squared. This will become 0. When we have minus 4 root 2k by, in the denominator we have 4k minus 2k, so that means 2k squared. So this is 2k squared means root 2k. Root 2k, k will cancel out, root 2 cancel out. So what we are getting? Nabil Ahmed, is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
So this is less than 0. So at x is equal to root 2k, area is maximum. Area is maximum. Okay. Now we need to find the other value y. So what is y here? Y is under root 4. We have find out the value here. So under root 4k square minus x squared. So y is equal to under root 4k square minus x squared. So y is equal to under root 4k square. 4k square minus 2k square. This will give you under root 2k square. This will give you under root 2k. Okay, so x is equal to y. So that means, so x is equal to y. So that means this is a rectangle, sorry, a square. Length is equal to breadth. So it is a square. So what we can write? The square, hence we can say square as a maximum. Hence square has the maximum area. As the maximum area. Okay. So this is a very important topic and you can expect a question from this one. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone, but it was better if you had done the calculation on your own. Not issue. We will, you need to solve the next question. Okay. I'm changing the slide. Everyone, please note down this, then raise your hands once it is done. Okay, Darshan, very good. Josefa, Saif, Nabil, Khan, is it done?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Saif, please confirm if it is done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, great. Josefa, Nabil Khan, is it done? Okay, Nabil, good. Josefa, is it done? Okay, great. Then this one. Okay. Please note down this and again raise your hand. Is it done? Everyone? Darshan, Zephyr, Saif, Nabil, is it done?
Yes, Sajid.
Okay, okay, Saif. Zephyr, Darshan, Nabil, is it done? Okay, Zephyr. Darshan and okay, Darshan. Nabil, is it done? Nabil Khan. Okay, great. So we will start a new question. Okay, so next is show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. So first of all, let me draw the figure. So let this be the radius R, okay, and this be the height of the cylinder H. This is R. Okay. So show that the right circular cylinder of given surface area, total surface area of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder. Okay, who can tell me what is the formula? Anyone remember this formula? 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, please again learn the formulas which you have done in class 10th. In the mensuration chapter, you have different figures. So please learn all those formulas. So surface area is 2 pi r h plus r, and they're saying that volume and the maximum volume. Then who can tell me what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of cylinder is what? No one?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. Very good. Then the next question is from Seth. Seth, how many variables are there in this volume? Seth, in this expression, how many variables are there?
2.
Two variables. Okay, radius and h both are variable. Now, I already told you that they will always give a condition. So here they are saying show that the right circular cylinder of given surface. Given surface means the surface area is constant. This is constant. This is a constant here. Okay, so we will take this s as a constant and we'll try to change a variable into other form. So s is equal to, we will open the bracket 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Okay, now who can tell me which will be convenient for us to find r from this expression, to find r in terms of h or h in terms of r? S is a constant here. Who can tell me which is more simple for us? Someone has given the answer. Very good. Good, Darshan. Okay, we will find h. So please check, all of you check here. Shift this right like this. 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square is equal to s. Now shift this, the second term to the right side. So s minus 2 pi r square. Now write h is equal to s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. Okay, so you get this value of h. Now, what is the volume? Volume is pi r square h. Put this value here. Put value of h into So what you will get, V is equal to pi r square into h is what? H is s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. Cancel this pi, cancel one r. So you will get here V is equal to r s minus 2 pi r square by 2 Open this bracket, so you get V is equal to SR minus 2 pi R cube by 2. Okay, so I have already simplified till here. Now please continue this. You need to differentiate this. Who can tell me? Josefa, this volume we will differentiate with respect to what? Josefa, we will differentiate the volume with respect to what? With respect to R. Very good. Now please differentiate this V with respect to R and share the critical points with me. Anyone have a doubt in this? Please let me know.
Sir, will R be root S by 6 pi?
Or B, let me check. Just give me a minute. Or I will solve this question. Okay, then we will check. So we are getting SR minus 2 pi R cube, 2 pi R cube by 2. Okay, so I will find dV by dr. So 1 by 2 is a constant. Here we will get S minus 6 pi R square. So put dV by dr is equal to 0. So you will get 1 by 2 S minus 6 pi R square is equal to 0. So we'll get S is equal to 6 pi R square. Okay. Six pi R square. So R will be equal to S by 6 pi. So R will be equal to under root S by 6 pi. Okay, Atif, you're getting the same one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yes, it is correct. Now please differentiate this again and check that it is maxima or minima. All of you, please complete this and share the critical points. I've already solved this question, but this is simple. You can do on your own. Raise your hands once you will get the critical points. Nabil Ahmed, Darshan, Huzaifa, Saif, Nabil Khan. Did you get the critical points?
So I'm getting RS
Sir,
under
I
root
got,
S by 6.
Uh, and the root is 6 pi. Okay.
sir,
Uh,
I got, yes, sir, I got same.
Same, good. Darshan, Huzaifa, Nabil Khan. Darshan, Huzaifa, Nabil Khan. Okay, good. Huzaifa, Huzaifa getting the same. Good, good, Nabil. Huzaif. Okay, great. Now you all get this value of R. Now please differentiate this function again. This one. Okay, differentiate this again. Put this value of S. Okay, and check that for this radius it is maxima or not. Okay. So put this one and check for this it is maxima or not. So Atif, did you get the answer?
No, sir, I'm doing.
Okay, okay.
Sir, it is Maxima, sir.
It is maxima. Okay, very good. If anyone else get okay, so Nabil, it is maxima, so that's good. Now please find height. You have the
Yes,
value for okay. Anyone else got the answer? Atif, did you get for this value it is maximum? Atif, Darshan, Zephyr, Saif, Nabil Khan. Did you check that for this value it is maximum? And Nabil, please let me know if you get the final result that the height should be equal to the diameter.
yes, sir.
Okay. And rest of you, please share your answer once it is done. Okay, Sav, so you get root 6 pi by 3. Let me check this. So EV by dr, it is equal to 1 by 2 s minus 6 pi r square. Again, differentiate this. D square V by dr square. So it is equal to 1 by 2 as it is 0 minus 12 pi r. Okay, so that means you get d square V by dr square. This is equal to, cancel with those, so you get minus 6 pi r. Okay, we have cancelled out this, so you get 6 pi r. Now, what is r? R is this value. So put this value. So d square V by dr square at r is equal to under root 6 by, sorry, under root s by 6 pi. So put this value. This is equal to minus 6 into pi into radius. What is radius here? Radius is under root 6s by 6 pi. Okay, no need for further calculation. We know that this is less than 0. Hence, for r is equal to under root s by 6 pi, volume is max, V is max, V is maximum. Okay, now for this value, now we get this r. Now we need to find the h. So what the relation we have? We have V is equal to, from where we will start this one. We have S, this one. Okay, S is equal to 2 pi RH. We have this result. S is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square plus 2 pi R square. Now we will put the value here, but the best thing is if we will put this one, R is equal to under root S by 6 pi. So it is better to put this value. This one, 6 pi R square. Okay, put S is equal to 6 pi R square. Let this be third. Or this was first. Sorry. Put S is equal to 6 pi R square in 1. So what you will get here? 6 pi R square. This is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square.
Sir, I'm getting h is equal to under root 2s by 3 pi.
Okay, let me solve this. So here what we will get 6 pi R square minus equal to 2 pi R H. So cancel out this. So what you will get here, 4 pi R square is equal to 2 pi R H. Okay, so okay, then cancel out this 2 pi cancel this 2. Okay, and this R cancel. So you get 2R is equal to H. Okay, so if we have used that value, that radius, then we get H is equal to 2R. So we can write, hence the volume is maximum when the height is equal, and hence volume is maximum when height, when H is equal to 2R, that is equal to diameter. Equal to diameter. Okay, Nabil, is it, this is clear? Or what the value of H you are getting?
Sir, I was getting root under root 2s by 3 pi.
2 under root 2 should be outside this root. Am I correct?
They also got the same value.
Same value. Please tell me. H is equal to 2. Then
Sir, under root, then
Under root.
inside of that,
Yeah.
2s by 3 pi.
2s by 3 pi. Okay, so we can write this as 2s by 6 pi into 2. Okay, so take this 2 outside the bracket, outside the root. So you're getting this s by 6 pi. And if you will check the R is under root of s by 6 pi. Okay, then check here. R is this, H is this. So, Nabil, can you say H is equal to twice of R?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So you have two methods. You can use this method which I have done, or you can use this. Okay. Atif, this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Darshan, Huzaifa, Saif, Nabil Khan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Darshan, Huzaifa, Saif, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Darshan, Huzaifa. Okay, Huzaifa, Darshan, is it clear? Darshan, is it clear? Okay, great. So I will give you 2 minutes. Please note down this. Do I need to change the slide? Okay. Okay, all done. Very good. So, Huzaifa, Saif, and Abil Khan, please raise your hands if it is done, and we can start a new question. Huzaifa, Saif, Nabil, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huzaifa, Saif, Huzaifa and Nabil. Okay, Huzaifa, Nabil. Nabil Khan, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now please try next question. Next question is what? Prove that the volume of the largest cone. Question is prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be described in a sphere of radius r. Okay, sphere of radius r is given set, then that means r is constant. Is 8 by 27 of the volume of this sphere. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be described in a sphere. So you have a sphere like this. This one. Inside this, you have a cone. Okay. Inside this, you have a cone. Like this one. This is A, this is B, this is C, okay, and this is, let this be D. This is your cone. Now suppose the height of the cone is H, height of the cone B, radius of the cone B, R. This is R. They're saying prove that volume of the largest cone that can be described in a sphere of radius R. So radius R is a constant. So what we will do, we will mark the radius. So suppose this is your center and this is your radius of the sphere, that is R. This is a constant. Okay. Now we will check that what condition we have here. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be described in a sphere of radius R. Okay, then who can tell me? Huzaifa. Huzaifa, what is the volume of a sphere? Huzaifa, what is the volume of a sphere? Uh, no, no, you missed something. Who can tell me what is the volume of a sphere?
4
No,
by 3 pi r cube.
no. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r cubes. That's correct. Okay, sorry. I was asking about the cone. Okay, what's the volume of the cone? Who can tell me what is the volume of a cone?
By 3 pi r square.
1 by 3 pi square h. Very good. So all of you, please learn the formulas. Okay. So this is the volume of a cone. So volume of cone. Volume of cone. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi square h. Okay. Now, Darshan, how many variables we have in this expression? Two variable. Very good. R and H. Okay. So we need to eliminate one variable. How we can do that? This one. This is also what? Let me mark this. This is also R, capital R. Okay. From this to this one, we have a capital R. Okay, because this is also a radius. This is a center O. So this is also a radius. What we will do, we will take this as X. This we will take as X. So what will happen then? We can write h is equal height h is equal to what? Capital R plus x. I hope this is clear to everyone. We can write height as r plus x. Now we have this triangle. This is O, this is D. Okay, in triangle OVD. In triangle OVD, what we can say, OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. Okay, so what is OB square? It is capital R. What is BD square? R square plus what is OD square? It is X square. So what we need? We need a small r. So R square, we can say this is R square minus X square. Okay, and we can also say that this R is equal to under root of R square minus X. Okay, so what is the volume now? Volume is equal to 1/3 by R square H. V is equal to 1/3 by R square means under root R square minus X square into what is H and whole square. Okay, and in H is what? H is capital R plus X. Now this is a very simplified form. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now you can solve this on your own. Okay, if anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, note down this and find the critical points and share your answer with. So even I will open this bracket also. So we will get V is equal to 1/3 by, here you have R square minus X square, and here you have R plus X. Okay, now please differentiate it and share the critical points with me. Darshan, we will differentiate this with respect to what? We will differentiate V with respect to what? Very good. Not R. No, that's not correct. Seth, we will differentiate this V with respect to what?
X.
With respect to X. Okay, Darshan, please check here. Whatever the variable you have, you need to differentiate with respect to that. Okay, so here R is a constant, X is a variable. Okay, so please differentiate this with respect to X. Okay, Darshan. Anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. Okay. And if anyone found the critical points, then please share your answer. Seth, I can do. Okay, but I think the critical part I have already done. Okay, how to function that's I have done. Now you have just two functions. One constant, pi is a constant. You have only these two functions. Okay, so just apply the product rule here. Just apply the product rule, and you can solve this. Okay, so please try this app and let me know if you have doubt. Nabil, did you get the answer? Did you get the
Yes.
critical points?
Factorizing, sir. Just a minute.
Okay, okay, okay. Anyone else got the critical points? Please let me know if anyone need help. Okay.
Yes, sir. There are two critical points. R is equal to minus x or R is equal to 3x.
R is equal to 3x. So minus x is not possible. Radius can't be negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So R is equal to 3x is correct. Please again differentiate it and check for this the cone have the maximum volume or not. Anyone else get the answer? Then please let me know.
Sir, I got it as Maxima, sir.
Maxima, very good. Now what you have to do, you have to prove this. 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. So please find the volume of the sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And
sir.
here put the value and find the volume. And then please compare both the volumes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else get the answer? Atif, Huzaifa, Saif, Nabil Khan. Because you also have a test today. Okay, so this is the last question. Anyone else get the critical point? Let me know if I need to solve this question, but this is a very, very simple expression. So I hope you can do this on your own. Sorry, Seth, you were saying something?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Uh, all of you have given a lot of time to you for this question. Anyone get the critical points? In this way, it is not possible for us to complete this topic. It is quite complicated. Okay. So, and we can't do all the questions in class. Atif, Huzaifa, Saif, Nabil Khan. Did you get the critical points?
Yes.
What is the answer, Atif? What is the critical point?
Yes, sir. You will get x is equal to minus r and r by 3.
Okay, great. So please ignore the minus. Okay. So side can't be negative. Ignore that and check the maximum volume for the next value. Next we have Huzaifa. Huzaifa, did you find the critical points? Huzaifa, did you find the critical points? Huzaifa, yes or no? It is a very important topic. We can expect a question. Okay, and definitely you will get a question from this topic. You're solving? Okay, please let me know once you will get the answer. Please share the critical points. Seth, did you get the critical points?
So I got excess R
X is R? No, that R or minus R?
plus and minus R.
Minus R, so please ignore that minus R. And any other value you're getting? Josefa? Sorry, Seth?
No.
No, there's a calculation mistake. Please again do this. Okay, this is a very simple calculation. We have some questions where we will do the calculation in 4 or 5 pages.
Done,
If you
sir.
can't, done. Okay, Nabil, very good. Okay, if you can't solve this question, then I'm not sure how you will do the rest of the questions. Please complete the calculation and share the critical points with me. Nabil Khan, is it done? Nabil Khan, is it done?
No, sir.
Are you still doing this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please share the critical points. I will not solve this question. This is a very simple question. I will not solve this. You have two expressions. You just need to apply the product rule. Please do this on our own. Please check here. We need to start your test. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi. You have r square minus x square. You have r plus x. dv by dx. So this is equal to what? 1 by 3 pi is a constant. Apply the product rule. First function as it is. Okay, Atif, very good. Next, differentiate the second function, r plus x, with respect to x, plus r plus x as it is. Differentiate the next function, r square minus x square. So dv by dx is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square minus x square. Differentiate this. R is for r, you will get 0 for x1. R plus x. For this one, you will get 0 minus 2x. So here you will get dv by dx is equal to 1 by 3 pi. Okay. Open this. So here you have r square minus x square plus, open this bracket, minus 2rx minus 2x square. So dv by dx, it is equal to 1 by 3 pi. Just give me a minute. So what we will do, either we can factorize this, or we can do one more thing here. Okay, Nabil, let me check this. So dv by dx, it is equal to 1 by 3 pi. And here you have r square minus x square, right? R minus x, r plus x. Plus r plus x, okay, and minus 2x. Okay, so it is better to take out common at this stage. Otherwise, at the later stage, we need to factorize the complete function. So take out common r minus x. So what you will get here? Here you will get r plus x and minus 2x. So dv by dx this is equal to 1 by 3 pi. And here you will get r minus x and
R plus X is common, right?
sorry. So r plus x is common. So here you will get r plus x. So r minus x, thanks, Seth. And so r minus x, and here we have minus 2x. So r minus 3x, and here you have r plus x. Then put dv by dx is equal to 0. So what you will get here? 1 by 3 pi r minus 3x. Okay. And here you have r plus x is equal to 0. So from this, you will get r is equal to 3x or r is equal to minus x, which is not possible. Okay. It is not possible. Now r is equal to 3x. So here you will get x is equal to r by 3. Now again, differentiate this function. dv by dx, we have what? dv by dx, it is equal to 1 by 3 pi r minus 3x. And here you have r plus x. Now again, differentiate this. D square y by dx square, it is equal to 1 by 3 pi r minus 3x. And here you have 1 plus r plus x. Here you have 0 minus 3. So d square y by dx square, it is equal to 1 by 3 pi. What the value of x we have? R by 3. So put the value here. So r minus 3 into r by 3 plus r by 3 minus 3. So d square y by dx square, it is equal to 1 by 3 pi. So 3 cancel out. So r minus r, which is 0. Plus here you have 4r by 3 into minus 3. So 3 cancel out. So d square y by dx square, it is equal to what? 1 by 3 pi. And here you have minus 4r. Minus 4r. Okay, which is less than 0. Hence, for x is equal to r by 3, v is max. V is max. Okay. Now we need to find the what we need to find. We have to find the volume of cone. So h is what? H is equal to r plus x. So h is equal to r plus what is x? R by 3. So you will get here 4r by 3. We need the radius also. So what is the radius? Radius is this one, r square minus r square. So r square is equal to under root of r square minus x square. So r is equal to under root. Put this value. What is x? R square by 9. Do the calculation. 9r square minus r square by 9. So this will give you under root of 8r square by 9. So r square will be equal to 8r square by 9. We get this. Okay. Now, what is the volume of cone? So volume of cone is equal to what? V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi Pi r square means 8 r square by 9 into what is h? H is 4r by 3. So what we will get here? 339 1 by 81. Okay, and for it 32. So 32 by 81 pi r cube. R cube. Volume of a sphere is equal to what? Okay, let this be volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. We need a symbol here. So we will represent this with, suppose with S. Okay, there's a volume of sphere. Now, volume of cone here. So we need pi volume V volume of cone. It is equal to it is equal to in place of this 32 by 81, I am just taking out this 4 by 3 separate. So rest you have 8r. Rest is, I will write here 8, okay, by 27. In the bracket, I will write this term 4 pi r cube by 3. So this is equal to what? 8 by 27. And this is volume of sphere, which we need to prove. Is this clear to everyone? Please raise your hands. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huzefa, is it clear? Nabil Khan, is it clear? Huzefa and Nabil. Oh,
Yes, sir. It's here.
Sir, I put like first put ratio. I solved the volume of the sphere, and then I solved the volume of cone. Then I put volume of sphere by volume of cone. That came out to be 8 by 27. Is that also correct, sir?
just give me a minute. Volume of cone is equal to pi. So all of you please note down this. Okay. Yes, Nabil. What is your method?
Sir, I got one equation for volume of sphere. Then I got one more equation for volume
But
of.
Nabil, volume of sphere is already given 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Yes,
Is
I
it good?
yes, I
Okay.
just kept like that, and then
Okay.
I put ratio of both of them. That
Okay,
came
you have
out to
find out the ratio. Yes, that is also fine.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so Josefa, Saf, Nabil, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then I will share the test paper with you.
Sir, can you show the last slide?
Last, okay. Sorry, Saf. Not sure. There is some issue with the slide. This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note down this. And Atif and Nabil, you have done. Josefa, Saf, and Nabil Khan, please raise your hands once it is done so that I can share the test paper with you.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Josefa, Nabil, is it done? Nabil Khan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa, is it done? Okay, I got your message. So, where is Okay, I will do this step again. R is equal to r square minus x square. R is equal to under root of I square minus I square by 9. So this will give you under root of 8r square by 9. So r square will be equal to 8r square by 9. H is equal to, we have 4r by 3. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi into r square, that is 8r square by 9, into h is 4r by 3. So V is equal to right here 8 by 27. Okay, keep everything here. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So V is equal to 8 by 27 volume of sphere. Please complete this, Saif, Huzaifa and Nabil Khan, and let me know so that we can start the test. Is it done? Huzaifa, Saif and Nabil Khan?
Yes, sir, done.